Yo, I hope you can hear this. This is Roy. It's, as you can see here, about 2:45. Robert is currently sleeping, and he's made fun of me a few times about snoring. So, sorry. So I like to make sure that he didn't hear me. Anyway, he's currently snoring right now, but I'm going to let you guys take a listen. This is Living Proof. Robert Snores.